He may be young, but don't underestimate this little biker. 4-year-old Jaden was born and raised in the world of motocross and is already giving adult competitors a run for their money.
I knew Jaden was ready to start riding before he was 1 year old, because if he seen a motorcycle or a bicycle, he would try to jump on it, and he just making the noises and playing with the bikes, and he just had an unbelievable love for the sport at a very young age.
I'm going my bike out here.
What bike? Your O-sit?
Yeah.
Yeah? He just always bugged us to ride. It was never something we had to ask him, oh, you want to go ride? It was him constantly asking us. So we let him, and he just, to this day, he won't stop.
I like riding because I like jumping high and doing whips.
For Jaden, motocross runs in the family. His parents are both bikers and their family live on a property that includes its very own racetracks, where Jaden spends several hours a day practicing.
I take Jaden riding almost every day, because if I don't, he's very unhappy. And we'll also go down to Marysville and ride the track, and he'll fall asleep on the way home, and when we get home he'll wake up and say, ask us if we're going to ride today, and we tell him, well, we've already ridden today. And he'll say, no, we didn't ride today. So he gets confused with his naps, so sometimes we'll ride several times per day also.
Yeah, it's a full-time gig, letting him ride. So it's like his job. He at least gets 30 hours a week, it seems like, on his bikes.
Much like his big brother, 2-year-old Eli has also inherited his parents' love for motocross.
I absolutely hope that Eli and Jaden will carry on the tradition, and I'm a firm believer that Jaden for sure will.
Let me see your cool medal. Did you get that one at Sacramento Raceway?
Yeah.
Wow.
It is long.
There was a lot of kids in that race, huh?
Yeah.
You weren't even 4 yet. You were racing in a 4 to 7 class.
Now I can beat them now.
You think so?
I like riding with bigger kids because it's more competition.
I absolutely think that Jaden has the talent to become a professional. He watches pros on TV all the time, and I've actually visually seen him watching the TV and trying to do the moves on the couch. So he's really dedicated.
And you're gonna ride your 350?
I am. So you want me to ride?
Yeah.
You want to race me?
Yeah.
Who's gonna win? I've dealt with a little bit of criticism, mostly on social media, from people who we don't know because they feel that it's an unsafe sport. But I mean, there's a lot of things that are unsafe in life, and honestly, Jaden is yet to be injured on the motorcycle.
Jaden is so excited to start competing and racing. That's all he talks about. He just wants to go and ride. And he gets to the track and he's ready. It's all about that trophy for him.